Guys, this is DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's open the box and check out everything that's inside. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo, which I'm unboxing here, sells for 27,990 here in the Philippines. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is packed with powerful imaging features, starting with its 1/1.3-inch sensor. With its 2.4 micron pixels and 13.5 stops of dynamic range, it delivers vibrant, professional quality footage, even in low light. You can shoot 4K videos up to 120 frames per second for great clarity and smoothness. And thanks to Super Night Mode, you'll get sharp, clean footage in extreme low light conditions. Both the front and rear OLED touchscreens are bigger, with slimmer bezels, giving you a larger screen-to-body ratio. Plus, with 1000 nits peak brightness, you'll always see your shots clearly, even under bright sunlight. The touchscreens are durable, featuring innovative AF coating, so touch controls stay responsive even when wet. The 10-bit D-Log M mode offers improved color depth, letting you preview raw footage with vibrant color recovery right on the screen. Plus, the 40-megapixel stills allow you to crop with confidence, delivering 4 times the clarity of previous models. The Action 5 Pro is built for adventure, tracking your subject's movements and keeping them centered in every frame. With up to 4 hours of battery life, you can keep filming longer, even in freezing temperatures. And with Horizon Steady and Rocksteady 3.0, you'll get ultra-smooth video no matter how intense the action is. It also includes practical features like 47 gigs of built-in storage, fast Wi-Fi transfers, and 15-minute charging for 2 hours of shooting. Plus, the Mimo app lets you control settings and edit your footage with ease. If you want to take your action shots to the next level, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the perfect choice. There's also the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo, which sells for 22,190. However, it does not include the 2 extra battery packs with charging case set, the quick release adapter mount mini, and the 1.5-meter extension rod. If you love shooting adventure videos and vlogs, I highly recommend the DJI Osmo Action 5 for you. Personally, I suggest that you get the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo, which already has all the accessories you'll need to create amazing videos for your subscribers on YouTube or TikTok. I mean, the 2 extra battery packs alone should enable hassle-free content creation when you are shooting vlogs or videos out of town. Alright, let's go out and vlog!